be educated, be organized, and be agitated. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality, and fraternity. Life should be great, rather than long. If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it. Cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. If you believe in living a respectable life, you believe in self-help, which is the best help. The history of India is nothing but a history of a mortal conflict between Buddhism and Brahmanism. I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. Men are mortal, so are ideas. An idea needs propagation as much as a plant needs watering. Otherwise both will wither and die. A great man is different from an eminent one, in that he is ready to be the servant of the society. Indifferentism is the worst kind of disease that can affect people. Caste is not a physical object, like a wall of bricks or a line of barbed wire, which prevents the Hindus from commingling, and which has, therefore, to be pulled down. Caste is a notion, it is a state of the mind. Democracy is not merely a form of government. It is primarily a mode of associated living, of conjoint communicated experience. It is essentially an attitude of respect and reverence towards fellow men. So long as you do not achieve social liberty, whatever freedom is provided by the law is of no avail to you. Law and order are the medicine of the body politic, and when the body politic gets sick, medicine must be administered. In Hinduism, conscience, reason, and independent thinking have no scope for development. To my mind, there is no doubt that this Gandhi age is the dark age of India. It is an age in which people, instead of looking for their ideals in the future, are returning to antiquity. Some people think that religion is not essential to society. I do not hold this view. I consider the foundation of religion to be essential to the life and practices of a society. for a successful revolution, it is not enough that there is discontent. What is required is a profound and thorough conviction of the justice, necessity, and importance of political and social rights. They cannot make history who forget history.
We hope for your support in the form of likes and comments.